So I showered, as you can see, and my car is not even packed. Like, I'm kind of annoyed because I feel like I did so much, but it doesn't look like I did, and I have clothes here. But when I was bringing over a big bag, I don't know if I already said it, I messed up my back. Well, my neck and my lower back, but right now my neck on this side is hurting really bad. That is not a lane, homie. But I'm on my way to my sister's house. We were supposed to get in and out, but I took too long, and it's fine. I'm not trying to go anywhere. I'm not trying to eat. It's fine. So I'm gonna go to, I don't know if I'm gonna pick up my sister or what is going on, but I'm gonna see if I can bring my mom's car. Yeah. Taking these books to that. Good morning. You're moving. That box full. This box is getting ready. And I have one more box that needs to put the rest of the things. And I still have that entire table to go. Happy Tuesday. Okay. So it's kind of coming through finally. See, this is why I need my mom, because she just tosses everything. So a lot of that stuff my mom's taking. This is that Goodwill stuff, but Goodwill is closed. So I don't know. Mordekins is going with fam. My niece's trash, that's going to my mom's. Apparently she wants a fish. I didn't know that. Okay, Tuesday is not turning out to be as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so it's Tuesday. It's 8:38 in the evening, and I'm finally at my mother's house. So let me show you what we brought from the room from my apartment, and tomorrow we're gonna go back and I'll show you the difference. So those are my two baskets. I just brought it because it has towels. I was like, might as well bring it, but I'll probably just end up packing that once I get more boxes. And then that's my clothes. This is stuff for my mom. Extra just plastic bags, because we live in Southern California and you need bags, or you pay for them 10 cents. This has other things in there, my scrunchies, resin. This is just a bunch of random stuff. That's also mine. My two crafty bins, more clothes. See, that's what I was gonna stay with. And then if we come to the living room, that bag is my keto stuff. This bag I brought yesterday, but it's a bunch of stuff that was in my pantry. And then my mom wanted that. And then my mom wanted that. And then my mom wanted to bring those. These are the bags that I was gonna give to Goodwill, but she's just gonna look through everything and then see what she wants from them. Anything else she doesn't want, she'll give it away or figure it out. I gave her the tank where Morty was at, because apparently she wants a fish. I didn't know that. So there's that, and then there's my almond milk. I have to find a place for that. And then some more clothes that was in my car that my sister gave me, and then more of my things. But this is water bottles, and this is where my shampoos were at. But these are my chargers, so I'm gonna take that with me. So that's where we're at with that, my makeup, and I'm about to comb my hair and put my oil. So yeah, we brought quite a bit over. This is where we're at now. Crazy. See? I just need the backyard. I know it's very bad back here, but I was never back here, so it is what it is. Just needs to get a little organized. Oh, I almost forgot this box.
Estos son de Isabel.
Sí, del trabajo.